Hey, Kevin from Common Room here, and today I'm going to share a simple yet really powerful feature for reps who are doing warm outbound on the front lines. And this feature is around our Ruby AI agent that's drafting AI generated messages based on the signals that we're finding from the buyers and prospects who are reaching out to you. And so I'm going to pick up my friend Blake here and select this marketing leader to marketing leader prompt that will generate an outbound message for Blake. So when I select on this, I might want to actually adjust this as a rep and tinker with it a bit because it doesn't exactly fit, what message I want to say. And so what we now have is this writing assistant that is super simple, just one text input. And so I can say here, maybe I don't want to use Figma and Asana as an example here. And I can say, let's update the customer reference with any scale, and I can enter, and then that should change this message from Figma and Asana to now it says AnyScale. And then maybe I also want to include the AnyScale customer story along with it. So like I can say, let's also add in the URL to the AnyScale customer story, and then include that URL in here. And then I can apply that. And then that'll add in now this customer story that's in Markdown. And I can then copy this message and send it if it looks good. I can make slight adjustments here or there. Let's save that. So that's a really nice, easy way for reps to just kind of tinker with different AI generated messages on the fly and get it to the place where they really want it to represent their style or whatever. Now, the other thing that I wanted to share is that not only can you do this, but you can also scale it to sequence tools like Outreach. And so I'm going to also say, let's add Blake to an Outreach sequence. I'm going to select our sequence of that generated message that I just looked at is mapped to, which is this warm intro one. And then I can select that message here as part of something that we're generating and then injecting into the outreach sequence. And you can see how that is now represented here. And for any other mapped AI generated message in this sequence, like this is a hook for an intro, I can say, let's make this intro a little spicier. Click go, and then this will then generate a message, which I can review, save, copy, paste, do anything I want, and then send this over to Outreach. So this new feature is really a way for reps to really calibrate their messaging and do so on the fly and at scale to make it super fast and easy versus having to be a prompt expert. So thanks for watching and thanks for checking it out. Let us know what you think.